Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. See how to crochet Pikachu eyes. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So this is how Pikachu eyes black color circle looks like. Now we will see how to make white color circle for eyes. Needle I am using is 2.5 mm. As usual we will be starting with slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, I will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Needle I am using is of 2.5 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is 2.5 mm needle. Okay. Now due to joining those first and last stitch, we get a small tiny circle in between. It is small but it's big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, and please don't take that small free end of the yarn into your stitches. Now first we will make a chain crochet stitch, then we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we will yarn over, insert a needle from the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a half double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You people can refer it. It's with written notes, slow demonstration is given. So quite easy to understand. Okay, the way we are making a half double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from that tiny circle, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just show you 10 half double crochet stitches. We are almost done. There we complete our last stitch also. Okay, now we will join our first stitch and last stitch with the slip stitch. Following similar pattern you have to make another one also, exactly same. Okay, now pull that small end free end of the yarn. Now this is how white color circle look like. Now this we will stitch on black color. See, this is how Pikachu eyes looks like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, please I'll request you to do subscribe my channel Sanjs Aasha, as I have already placed lot of videos, plus I'm coming up with lot of new videos. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. You can get all tutorial video with notes, that also in 2 languages, Hindi and English. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and I'm coming up with lots of applique tutorial. So don't miss anything. and quickly subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thanks for watching
Thanks
till
for
end.
watching my video. Please like and subscribe.
Hope you like the
Thank you.
video.